Hey guys, I'm GDCuber and today we have an unboxing from speedcube.com.au. As you can see, we've got a few things here, so let's go on to the first thing, which is the Valk free fully fitted Fulbright stickers. Now, I don't own a Valk, but I bought this hoping that because the Valk's a smaller cube, they will fit my Waylong GTS1, which desperately needs the stickers replacing. So I'll just have a look at the shades and see how they look. So we've got, I don't know the names of the colours, but we've got fluorescent yellow. It'll say on the back, no it won't. Anyway, there's nice sky blue, I believe, fluorescent green, and fluorescent red and fluorescent orange. So let's just see what it look like up against the cube. I reckon they might fit fine on the cube, so yes. So we'll get on to the thing I've most been waiting for, which is the YJ Guansu. I bought this because my MF4S is really starting to lock up a lot, and mainly because, and the main reason I bought this was because 4x4's starting to become my all-time favourite event. So yeah, I know this is not the best cube, but I thought I'd buy it anyway. So we've got a YJ pamphlet here. I'm not going to go through that. There's the cube. So it's pretty dusty, so it's pretty light though. So just look at the shades. So I'm pretty sure that they are, yep, standard Moyu shades. So let's get on to first turns. And wow, this is a pretty, it's really smooth, but it feels pretty tight, but that just could, actually no, it probably just needs breaking in a bit. So, I don't know, I might loosen this a bit, so yeah. This could, I reckon this could do with a bit of loosening. So corner cutting, line to line with ease. Just over line to line works with a bit of force. And then reverse cutting. It's not even half a QB, but I didn't expect that. Let's just have a look at the mechanism. Just get some pieces out. As you can see, the edges look pretty, the plastic's pretty sturdy, but the edges have got like a sharp point on them. The centres, it's not the centre, smart. The centres look pretty standard. They look quite similar to my MF4S, I think. And then the corner, it's pretty basic, but it hasn't got the horrible true base thing on it like the MF4S has, which, while it prevents corner twists, I find it a bit annoying. So I can't get that back together, but I'll have a saw on it later. Okay, so the final thing is a LingAo Magic. Also known as like a Rubik's Magic, but obviously it's not Rubik's brand, so get into it, and I can see straight away it comes with some replacement string, so I'll have to try my best not to lose that. So I'll put that off to the side here, and we'll get the magic out. pretty heavy, but yeah, so bit scuffed, but that could just be due to it being a bit dirty. Yeah, I think it might be a bit dirty. So wow, it feels really weird, and even though I haven't actually used one of these, I've actually tried my best to learn how to solve one. So let's have a go at it. No, that's not right. Oh no, I've broken it. No, I'm lucky, I think. I almost broke it. That would have been bad. Okay, right. So there we go, and the rings are linked. So let's try and put it back to the scrambled state. I think this might need stretching a bit because it's quite fragile. So like you saw, I almost broke it. And I possibly almost broke it again. I'll get back to that later. Because I don't want to break that before I've even got to use it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and leave me video suggestions or what you'd like to see in the future. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.